OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has unveiled a new artificial intelligence model. The tool is named Sora.
Sora.
I can think of so many jobs that could be lost if you can recreate an image like this when making a film.
Sora is coming.
Recently, OpenAI introduced its new text-to-video model called Sora. In just a few days, this news has become one of the most popular on the internet because it impresses people with its incredibly rapid progress while simultaneously frightening them. In just a couple of months, AI video capabilities have progressed from this to that. So if you're new here, my name is Paul Spielberg, and in this video we'll explore what Sora actually is, what it can do, and why is everyone afraid of Sora. Sora is an AI model by OpenAI that can create realistic videos up to 1 minute long from text instructions. You can see where its development began, how it has progressed, and the quality of videos Sora can create now. Sora can generate videos in widescreen 16:9 format, vertical 9:16 format, and everything in between, which is very convenient if you need videos for TikTok, Instagram, and so on. Sora is capable of generating videos provided an image and prompt as input. Like in this case, where it animated a static image of a dog, just look at how realistic it is. Here's another example to illustrate. Just imagine how much time this can save. Sora is also capable of extending videos, either forward or backward in time. As a result, each video starts differently, but all videos lead to the same ending. Or you can use this technique to produce a seamless infinite loop. Sora can also alter details or context in already existing videos. This feature is called a video-to-video, which means you can upload a video and change the context, details, or location in that video. Another mind-blowing feature is connecting videos. Essentially, this means you can take two different videos, and Sora will gradually interpolate between them, creating seamless transitions between videos with entirely different subjects and scene compositions. Of course, Sora is not perfect yet. For example, in this video, wolf pups disappear and reappear out of nowhere. Or this one, where a chair literally appears out of nowhere. Strange finger movements, the chair floats on its own and then self-destructs. But over time, it will improve and become better and higher quality. Considering the quality of the videos that Sora can already create, I think it could pose significant competition and a major problem for stock services. Just look at this. On Adobe Stock, you need to pay $36 to get just one video. If you're a content creator, most likely one video won't be enough for you. And to get 25 videos, which isn't even that many, you'd have to pay a whopping $240, which is super expensive. Yes, the video industry is very costly. And why would anyone pay so much money when they could generate it themselves much cheaper? Of course, Sora is not yet available for public use, and we don't know how much it will cost. But I'm sure it definitely won't be available for free, and possibly even much more expensive than a subscription to GPT-4. Since Sora involves quite expensive technology, I assume its cost will be around $100 per month, possibly more. But in any case, stock services will suffer significant losses. Remember the hype around AI influencers, nude photos sold on OnlyFans, and so on. Imagine the scale of the problem that could arise from Sora, or alternative models that will emerge in the near future. Entire industries may emerge that will create fake adult content using AI. If you don't see a problem with this, what about deepfakes? What if one of those videos is made with your face, like what recently happened with Taylor Swift, whose deepfake was leaked on 4chan and X? Or what problems with deepfakes could arise at the political level? How many problems could arise in a court process, for example? Someone could frame an innocent person for committing a crime by creating a deepfake, or vice versa. Criminals committing a crime captured on video could claim that it's not real video, but generated by artificial intelligence. These and a number of other problems that OpenAI will have to solve. And this is one of the reasons why Sora is still not available for public use. And while I believe that Sam Altman and OpenAI will be able to handle them, other similar products from less responsible companies will soon emerge, where these problems may arise. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here and leave a comment what you think about Sora. Catch you in the next one. Peace.